I will show you how to connect an Instagram ad to Manychat. And there are two ways to do this. First, you can trigger an automation when someone comments on your ad, or you can trigger it when someone clicks on your ad. I will show you both, and I'll also give you 3 simple tips to get better results. So let's start with the first one, which is the easiest way to do this. And this is when someone comments on your Instagram ad and then automatically gets a DM. And the good thing is you don't need to set up anything in Ads Manager. You can just set this up inside Manychat and it will work for all of your ads. So let me show you how you can do that. So in Manychat, you can just go to automation, click on new automation, start from scratch, and then start with a blank canvas. And here you can click on new trigger, go with user comments on your post or reel, but this also works for ads. And then you need to make sure that you set it to all post or reels. It doesn't work with a specific post or reel. It doesn't work with the next post or reel. It needs to be all post or reels. And then here you can determine the word you want to automatically reply to, which is in my case guide. And then also add some misspellings, some variations here that if people misspell the word, you will still send the automation. So it's like guide as misspelled or without an E, like stuff like that. And then you have the public reply. So the public reply is the comment, the automatic comment in the comment section. And what you want to do here is you want to excite them for the thing that they will be getting. Plus, you want to say that they need to go to the Instagram DMs. In this example, we will be using the example of an investing guide. So I'll just copy this from my second screen. But for example, you can say, can't wait for you to get started with investing. Please check your inbox and message requests. Let's get started with your first investment. Just send you a message in Messenger. And that should be, by the way, not Messenger, but just send a message in the DMs. And then lastly, we have, that's the first step to investing, check your inbox and message request. So we can hit here save, then this is the trigger. And in order to send an automatic DM in Instagram, what you need to do is click here on Instagram, make sure that this is set to send as a private reply. Now I'll just copy this from my second screen. And then we say something like, looks like you're ready to make your first investment and earn some passive income. And then here we can just use this as our button. So this can be a button or a quick reply. I always use a quick reply, but that's basically it. Now you automatically reply to comments on your ads. And the only thing that you have to do is that you need to make sure that your ad clearly tells people that they need to comment. Otherwise, this don't work. But you don't need to set up anything in Ads Manager. You can just set up your ad like how you would normally do and then ask people to comment. So that's the easiest way to do it. And there's a second method, and that is when you want to start a Manychat automation when someone clicks on your ad. And there are 2 things to keep in mind when you choose this method. First, you can only use traffic, engagement, or sales objectives with this method. And second, you cannot change the Manychat automation if your ad is live. So if you want to change it once it is live, you first need to pause the ad. That being said, to create this, you can just go here to Manychat and then add a new automation. And it's good that we name this automation. So I'll just call this Instagram ad free investing guide. Then here we will add a new trigger. So this trigger will be user clicks an Instagram ad. And then here you only need to hit save. That's it. And then we have the same message that we can use. So I would just copy that same message. And this message always needs to have a button or needs to have a quick reply. Otherwise, it doesn't work with ads. So that's what you basically need to do. So I would just copy this, add the same quick reply, and then I would just connect this to a message. And then that's test. It's good to know that I won't be showing how you make the rest of the funnel. I basically have other videos on my YouTube channel that explains how you can make sure that you actually get leads and stuff. In this video, I would just make sure that I'll explain to you how you can make the connection with Ads Manager. So that's basically how you set this up. So this is now live. You need to make sure that this is enabled because otherwise it won't work. And then once you've set this up, then we need to set up our ads in Ad Manager. So if you go to Ads Manager, we can just create a new campaign. Oh, I think I selected too much. Yeah. So we can click here on new campaign. Then what you do here is you can go with traffic, engagement, or sales. So in this case, I just go with traffic. I highly recommend just testing which goal works best for you. It could be that engagement works better. It could be that traffic works better. You basically need to test this. So then you go with the manual traffic campaign. It's also good to know that I won't be explaining how to set up your ad. I just explain how you can make the connection with Manychat. So here we are on the campaign level. That's all fine. We can go to next. Then here you need to make sure that the conversion location is a message destination. You here want to maximize the number of conversations. And then you need to make sure that you set a manual destination. and you only go with one channel. So you only go with Instagram. So I recommend setting up different ad sets for each channel. So you have one ad set for Instagram and one ad set for Messenger and one ad set for WhatsApp. If you want to know how you can connect a Facebook ad to a Messenger automation, I actually have a separate video on my YouTube channel about that as well. Same one for the WhatsApp one. I also have a separate video on my YouTube channel as well. I will add them in the description. In this case, just make sure you go with manual and only go with Instagram. And then you can just go here with next. And then you can just scroll down until you see message template. And then here you can select partner app. Then click on select flow. And then create here first select the partner app, which is Manychat in our case. And then the message flow, which is the Instagram ad free investing guide, which is the same thing we created here. It could be that in your case, you actually don't. Oh yeah, and once you have done this, you can click here on finish. It could be that you don't see message template. In some accounts, message template doesn't show up, but chat builder does show up. And it's kind of random for what account, like Meta is using what accounts for what thing. Just so you know that if you have chat builder, what you need to do is go with the save templates and then select one of the templates. You can go here with Manychat and then go with one of the ones that you created. So for like, this is one Manychat account or one ad account where I have a message template, and another ad account I have chat builder. I don't really know the reason behind this, just so you know that there are kind of two options here, but they basically do the same thing. Right, so that's basically how you set it up. So you either go with chat builder or you go here with the message template, you select the specific flow, and then once that is done, you can just hit here, publish. Now, before you go, let me give you 4 simple tips to get better results with your ads. So let's cover them one by one. So the first thing is that you need to repeat the call to action at least 3 times. So how that looks is that you need to have a call to action inside your creative. So that's either inside the image or inside the video that you're using. And then I also recommend having a call to action either at the start of your caption or somewhere in the middle, and then always at the end, because it could be that people read your caption and then they forget what they needed to do. Right? So it's always good to have it at the end as well. In this case, a very simple example where we did a giveaway and we just asked people to tag one of their friends. In this case, if you go with a specific word, for example, if people you want to comment, basically say comment, or you can say just click below and we will send you a message in the DMs. So it's very important that you repeat that call to action at least 3 times. Somewhere in the start or the beginning of the caption, or in the middle, at the end, and then always in the creative. Then the second thing that you have is that you need to align the ad with the automation, and that's super important. So if you ask people to comment, basically say to them, comment X below, and I will send it over in the DMs. And if you want them to click, say click below, and I will send it over in the DMs. Super important that you say to them that it goes to the DMs, because with most ads, people either think they go to a lead form or they go to a landing page. DM automations for most people are kind of a new thing. So you need to make sure that you manage that customer experience very good, and you say to them, okay, it goes in the DMs. And then in the DMs, you need to make sure that you deliver on the promise of the ad. So if you promise a free guide inside your ad, make sure that the first thing you talk about inside your Manychat automation is the free guide. If you promise a giveaway, first thing you need to talk about is a giveaway. So you need to make sure that you need to deliver on the promise of the ad, because otherwise people will not go further inside your funnel. So that's the second thing. Then the third thing is that you can use reminders if people don't reply. And this is a very important thing. This is what makes DM automations, I think, better than lead forms or landing pages. If you send people to a landing page and they don't fill in their information, you've lost them. If they go to a lead form, you've lost them. With Manychat, you can use reminders if people don't reply. And how you can do that is that anytime you collect data inside Manychat, you have an if contact has not responded. So if they don't reply, for example, within an hour or within 3 minutes, you can send them another reminder, which is a great way to get them back inside your Manychat automation and actually complete the funnel. So that's the third thing. And then the last thing is that you should always test DM automations versus landing pages and lead forms. It could be that a landing page is cheaper, that a lead form brings in more leads, or that the DM automation is better. You just don't know. And you always should test which one of these 3 works best. So that's how you connect an Instagram ad to Manychat. But keep in mind, this is just a connection. You still need a good automation behind it. So if you want to see how to set it up the right way and actually turn those conversations into leads, please check out this video.